Hello everybody. All of these clips were filmed back in July of 2024, and I obviously did not have an idea of what would happen on January 29th of 2025. So first off, I'd just like to give condolences to those affected by the incident, which killed 67 people. And also, I'm guessing that some of you are going to probably be looking for the plane that crashed. No, it is not in here. The closest I could find was November 706 Piper Sierra, and I don't even know if that's in here because I only selected a couple of clips. There's going to be another video, hopefully with the rest of the clips. So, with that being said, enjoy the video.